Vidyalaya Maths Online class. Today we are going to discuss 6th chapter trigonometry, exercise 6.2. Already we completed 4 sum. Last class itself we completed 4th sum. Now we discuss 5th one. A flagpole h meters is on the top of the hemispherical dome of radius r meters. A man is standing 7 meters away from the dome, seeing the top of the pole at an angle 45 degree and moving 5 meters away from the dome and seeing the bottom of the pole at an angle 30 degree. Find first one the height of the pole, second one radius of the dome. Here root 3 value given 1.732. So can you understand this question? So here one dome is there. That radius radius and height are same. That is a hemispherical. And that radius is r meter. So this radius and height also same. So this radius means this also same. So OD and OA is r meter. On the hemispherical dome, one flagpole is standing. So that is flagpole. This one dome. Clear? That is a hemispherical dome. This one flagpole. So that height is h meter. That's a given. And next, so that O is the center of the hemispherical dome. That ending point take as A. That A to B, how much distance? 7 meter. A to B is 7 meter. From this place to see the top of the flagpole is 45 degree. And again move 5 meter from B to C. C to bottom of the flagpole is 30 degree. The angular elevation of B to top of the flagpole is 45 degree. Bottom of the flagpole from C is 30 degree. Clear or not? Now what we want to find? The radius of the dome and height of the flagpole. Clear? So the same last question we discussed now. The same model. First you consider the right angle triangle and then what are the values are given and which ratios, trigonometric ratios, sine ratio or cos or tan, which one is suitable for this. Clear? So first write the given. What are the given? Height of the hemispherical dome OD equal to, that is OD and OA are same, that is radius, and radius of the hemispherical dome also the same. And height of the flagpole DE. DE is h meter. And AB, the distance here itself given. Moving 5 meter away from the dome and seeing the bottom of the flagpole at an angle 30 degree. So from here 5 meter, B to C 5 meter, A to B 7 meter. Here. A man is standing 7 meter away from the dome. So from this dome, from A to B 7 meter, B to C is 5 meter. So that is AB equal to 7 meter, BC equal to 5 meter. That is right angle. Angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the flagpole are 45 degree, 30 degree. So 45 degree, which is 45 degree? D EBO 45 degree, DCO 30 degree. Clear? So these are the given values. First you select EBO, that is EBO or EOB. That EOB right angle triangle you take it. Then roughly you draw a diagram. Otherwise this diagram you see means you confuse. So which triangle is suitable, that only you roughly you draw the diagram. So EOB, EO, what is that? This up to this H, from this one R. So totally R plus H. Next one OB. OB is what? This, from this one to this one R. This one H, 7. So totally R plus 7. So using this angle is 45 degree. Now simply use this triangle and apply this ratios. So tan theta is equal to to OE, opposite. Theta's opposite is what? OE by adjacent OB. So OE by OB. So tan 45 degree. Theta is 45 degree is equal to OE R plus H by R plus 7. Tan 45 degree table value 1. So 1 into R plus 7 is equal to R plus H. So R 1 into R plus 1 R plus 7 plus R on this side minus R is equal to H. R cancel. So 7 is equal to H. Therefore height of the flat pole is equal to 7 meter. We see the second one. We consider the triangle. What is it? First one you take it EOB. Second one we take DOC. Clear? So the triangle select means easily find the dome of the radius. You select in triangle DOC. The first option model you draw a rough diagram. DOC, that is DO is a radius or height of the hemispherical, that is R. So O to A is R, A to B is 7, B to C is 5. So totally OC is R plus 7 plus 5. Clear? So then C to D angle is 30 degree. So here theta's opposite is OD, adjacent OC. So apply the tan ratio. So tan theta is equal to OD by OC. Tan 30 degree is equal to R by R plus 1 plus 5, 12. So R plus 12. Tan 30 degree, that is table value 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to R by R plus 12. And again cross multiply means R plus 12 with root 3 goes to numerator. So R plus 12 is equal to R root 3. So R plus 12 is equal to R into root 3 value already given in the question itself. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. So R into 1.732. 12 is equal to R into 1.732 is 1.732 into R plus R on the side minus R. So 12 is equal to 1.732. We take common R. So 1.732 minus 1. 1.732 minus 1. Answer is 0.732. Clear? So 12 is equal to 0.732 R. R is equal to this 0.732 multiplication, come this side divide. So 12 by 0.732. So this one you simplify. So already we work out the same model. The 12 divided by 0.732, that is a numerical division. So already lower classes you studied, no? So you work out in rough column and then you write it. So here decimal. So you converted into whole number. Whole number means multiply divided by 1000. 12 into 1000 by 0.732 into 1000. You get 12 into 3 zeros. So 12 into 1000, 12, 3 zeros divided by 0.732 into 1000 means 732. So you divide any number, any table, 2 table or 3 table or 5 table, any common number you divide, and then ordinary method you divide. So at last you divide means we get 1000 by 61. So you 1000 divided by 61 means 1 times 61. So remaining 39 and bring down this 0. 399 how many times? 6 times. So 6 times 61, 366. Remainder 24 and bring down the next zeros. So doing the same things. At last we get 16.39. These are the lower class Excel you studied, no? You multiplication and divide. You work out in rough column and then write here clearly. Minimum 2 digits enough. Clear? So at last R is equal to 16.39 meter. Therefore the radius of the dome R is equal to 16.39 meter. Clear? First draw the diagram neatly. Which triangle is suitable for that first option that you selected. Which option? Which diagram is suitable for second one? You select this second diagram. Better you draw a rough diagram. It is our purpose only. Easily understand the values. The purpose you draw a rough diagram. Clear? Next we see the sixth sum. Now we see sixth one. The top of a 15 meter high tower makes an angle of elevation of 60 degree with the bottom of an electric pole and angle of elevation of 30 degree with the top of the pole. What is the height of the electric pole? So first you consider one electric pole and a tower. So first you draw that tower. This one tower. This one take electric pole. This one you take electric pole. And first, what is the tower of height? 15 meter. So we take the name B to D, that is a 15 meter. And the angular elevation of 60 degree with the bottom of an electric pole. So here this is the bottom of the electric pole, this is the top of the electric pole. This bottom to top of the tower is angular elevation 60 degree. And next, the electric pole and the angular elevation of 30 degree with the top of the pole. So 30 degree. This one top of the pole. Here make 30 degree. So you draw one line. So here make an angle is 30 degree. Clear? You give the name here C. So we want to find the height of the electric pole. That one you take h meter. Clear? So now this is a rectangle. So rectangle means this, h meter means this also definitely h meter. Clear or not? So this one you take tower, this one electric pole. Tower height given 15 meter. Electric pole height we want to find, but the bottom of the electric pole to top of the tower angle elevation is 60 degree. Top of the electric pole to top of the tower is 30 degree. These are the values are given. We have to find the electric pole. I understand the question. So write the given. Height of the tower BD equal to 15 meter. Height of the pole, that is this one. Height of the electric pole AE, this value is equal to this value, and AC value is equal to ED. AC equal to ED. Why? Because this is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. So AC equal to ED. Next, angular elevation of the top of the tower from the top and the bottom of the pole is 30 degree and 60 degree. This electric pole bottom and top make with the top of the tower is 60 degree, 30 degree. 60 degree how we write? BED. BED 60 degree. BAC 30 degree. Clear? Next triangle you choose first. This one BED. BED triangle you choose first. In triangle BED, here this one we know. This one, these two values are equal. So hypotenuse you no need. So we selected tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite BD by ED. Tan theta is equal to BD by ED. Tan theta is what? 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to BD value 15. Here mentioned 15 by ED we don't know. So tan 60 degree value root 3, that is a table value root 3. Denominator ED comes this side, numerator is equal to 15. So ED is equal to 15, numerator root 3 comes this side, divide. So ED value is 15 by root 3. So ED you find using the first option, that is this triangle BD triangle. Next, which triangle? BAC. Choose this triangle BAC. This one theta, this one opposite, this one adjacent. So which theta apply? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to BC by AC. Tan theta is equal to BC by AC. Theta is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to BC. How we write? This BC how we write? BD is equal to BC plus CD. This BC written as BD minus CD is equal to BC. So BC place you substitute BD minus CD. Clear? So tan 30 degree answer, the table value 1 by root 3 is equal to BD. BD already we know 15 minus CD we consider H. So 15 minus H by ED value already we know here. So 15 by root 3. So 15 by root 3 denominator comes as a numerator. So 1 by 3 root 3 into 15 by root 3. 1 by root 3 into 15 by root 3 is equal to opposite 15 minus H. So 1 into 15, 15. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Taking root means that is 3. 3, 1 3 is 3, 5 3 is 15 is equal to 15 minus h. So minus h comes this side, plus h is equal to 15 plus 5 goes to opposite side, minus 5. So h is equal to 15 minus 5. That is ordinary simplify. 15 minus 5, that is different sign means what is answer? 10. So h is equal to 10 meter. So the h is what? Height of the electric pole. So these two h. So height of the electric pole is 10 meter. Clear? So in this question what we want to find? Height of the electric pole. So height of the electric pole is 10 meter. Clear? In exercise 6.2, 6 sums are there. All 6 sums are completed. The same model, all example sums. So the remaining example sums fully homework. Now we see one example 6.24. So this is a different method. That's why now work out. An aeroplane sets off from G on a bearing of 24 degree towards H, a point 250 km away. At H, it changes course and heads towards J on a bearing of 55 degree and a distance of 180 km away. So these are given. We have to find 4 options. First one, how far is H to the north of G? Second one, how far is H to the east of G? Third one, how far is J to the north of H? Fourth option, how far is J to the east of H? So before you draw this diagram, you draw a direction. So this one north, south, east, west. You mark the direction. Center you make H. So this is a H. And H to G, how much kilometer? Here 250 kilometer. What is that? 250 kilometer. What is the angle? 24 degree. So here 24 degree. The distance of G to H is 250 kilometer. And mark here one straight line and here one straight line means we get one right angle triangle. So HOG is a right angle triangle. Here 24 degree means here 90 degree. Using sum of the angles of triangle means we get this angle is 66 degree. Clear or not? So next one, another condition H to J. What is that? H to J is distance 180 kilometer. H to J 180 kilometer. What is the angle? 55 degree. This angle is 55 degree. So here this you draw one straight line. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. This angle 66 degree. How we find the 60? Sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. This one 90. This one 24 means this one 66 degree. So definitely this angle also 66 degree. So already 55 degree. This one. So 66 minus 55. What is the remaining angle? 11. So this angle is 11 degree. Clear or not? I understand this diagram. So the center face is H. This G, H to G distance is 250 kilometer. This G to H angle is 24 degree. Here H to J 55 degree. The distance is 180 kilometer. This one 55 means you draw here or draw on straight line. The same things you draw on straight line and make a right angle triangle. So definitely this angle is 11 degree. Here also 90 degree. So what purpose you want to make a right angle triangle? Generally apply the trigonometric ratios. So that purpose you want to make a right angle triangle. And here you write the given GH equal to 250 kilometer, HJ equal to 180 kilometer. Angle G angle, what is that? HGO is equal to 24 degree. And this angle JHI equal to 11 degree. Clear? So using this given, you have to find this 4 result. So first one, how far is H to the north of G? So this is a H. North of G means, so here G. G to north direction, this one. Clear? So this one is the north direction. So using this direction table, find it. So what we want to find? You take HOG triangle you consider and find G to north. So that is GO. From G point to north, that is GO. We want to find it. So select this triangle, HOG triangle you select. In right angle triangle GOH, here hypotenuse we know that 250 degree we know. This angle, so this angle 24. This one is what? Opposite. Opposite. This one adjacent. We want to find OG. We know HG. OG we want to find. HG we know. So this one, what is that? Adjacent. OG adjacent. GH hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse means which theta in trigonometric ratio? Cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent, what is that? OG by hypotenuse GH. Clear? So cos theta is equal to OG by GH. Before all questions are, we take tan theta model. So this question cos theta comes. So take carefully. Clear? So cos theta is equal to OG by GH. Next cos theta is what? 24 degree is equal to OG we want to find. OG by GH 250. So cos 24 degree already given in the question itself. Cos 24 degree answer 0.9135. So the 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree means we use the table value. Already we thought the table value. But in between values given means already I told the question itself mentioned the value. So here also they mentioned the value cos 24 degree is equal to 0.9135 into 250 is equal to OG. This one ordinary multiplications. So multiply means we get OG equal to 228.375. 228.375. This one above 5. So we want to make it 2 digits. So 37 means we take 38. Clear? 375 means we consider 38. That is to make 2 digits number. Therefore, the distance of H to the north of G is 228.38 kilometer. Here what value is given? Kilometer. So don't write meter. You mention the units properly. 228.38 kilometer. Clear? Next second option. Here G to north as so GO you find it. Next east. East of G means OH. So this G to E. This one east direction. So O to H. We want to find OH. So the same triangle. This one hypotenuse. This one opposite side. So this one want to find. This one we know. So opposite and hypotenuse means what is the ratio? Sin theta. So take in right angle triangle GOH. Sin theta is equal to opposite OH by GH hypotenuse. Theta is 24 degree. So sin 24 degree is equal to OH by GH, that is given 250. Sin 24 degree value also given in the question. So 0.4067 into 250 is equal to OH. These two multiplication answer 101.675 equal to OH. So already I told 3 digits means you convert it to 2 digits. 675 convert 2 digits means 68. Therefore the distance of H to the east of G is 101.68. Clear? So H G to north means GO. G to east. So that from that is direction. G to east, that is OH. Clear? So two options completed. Third one, how far is J to the north of H? So J to, so this is clear. Third one, what is that? North of H. So we want to find IJ. That is north, no? North of J. So that is the north. Clear? Here to here. That is the north direction. This one we take means east. That is HI. Clear? Which triangle is right? Third option in triangle HIJ. HIJ. This triangle is selected. This one theta. Theta means this one opposite. This one hypotenuse. This one adjacent. So first you find HJ. HJ means theta is opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite you want to find, hypotenuse we know. So opposite and hypotenuse means which theta? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side IJ by hypotenuse HJ. HJ value we know 180. Theta is here 11 degree. Already we explained the total 66 means 55 minus 66 minus 55, so 11 degree. So sin 11 degree also given in the value. What is the value? Sin 11 degree value 0.1908. Denominator 190 comes this side, numerator is equal to IJ. Clear? So these two multiply means 34.344. So same here 3 digits given. You convert into 2 digits. This is below 5. So write as it is. So what is the answer? 34.34 kilometer. Clear? So that is the distance of J to the north of H. J to the north of H. That is the north direction, no? So that is the north. J to north of H is 34.34. That is the north of H. From A to north. I to J. That is the north. Clear? That is the east. So don't make confusion. Here to here means east. Here to here means north. Clear? Fourth option. How far is J to the east of H? So east of H means you want to find it HI. That is east of H. HI you want to find. The same this triangle you select it. Here theta. Theta is opposite. This one adjacent. This one hypotenuse. We want to find HI. HI means that is opposite side. We know adjacent. Sorry, hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse means which theta? Cos theta. So cos theta is equal to, selected cos theta is equal to opposite HI by HJ hypotenuse. HIJ the same triangle is selected. These two same triangle. And cos theta is 11 degree is equal to HI by HJ is 180 degree. And cos 11 degree also given in the question. What is the value? 0.9816. 0.9816 into 180 is equal to HI. This 2 multiply means what we get? 176.688 equal to HI. Here also 3 decimal given. So convert into 2 decimal means above 5. 8 is above 5. Third digits you add here means 69. So 176.69 kilometer. This decimal conversion also you already studied in the lower class itself. Above 5 means you add one number before the digits. Clear? So 176.69 kilometer. So fourth option, J to the east of H is 176.69 kilometer. So this question, don't make confusion. You draw the direction table and the center you make H. North direction means from this one to this one. G to north means GO. East means OH. Clear? And this diagram, north means IJ. East means HI. Clear or not? So this is only one example difficulty. That's why I worked out in the class. So the remaining all examples are homework. Clear? Thank you students.